about to press on nails, but I'm going to show y'all how to apply nails at the airport or just anywhere of your convenience if you're missing your tools. So literally, because I do have that clear polish on, as you can see, I like to push my cuticles back. So what I'm just going to do is just literally just file off the clear polish, which I'm going to show you guys, and then I'm going to apply the press on nail.
She can make all the problems disappear. She can tell you the things you want to hear. She can read your mind and that you could rely over little.
Listen, honey, in 2023, we are all about convenience and looking good on a budget. I mean, why not? So as you can see, I am filing my nails, and I just have to get that hard clear coat hardener that I did put on my nails. Because I do want my application to last long and I want it to look extremely nice. So you're going to see me go through the process of literally just filing each and every nail. Y'all, I was running so behind and so late. And at this moment, it was just convenient for me to file the clear polish off just because I did not have any nail polish remover. On a side note, y'all, I was definitely feeling some type of way because I was just like, girl, how did you really miss your flight? So now we got to do what we got to do wherever we have to do. This is the buffer, y'all. So now that I have filed all of that polish off of my nails, I'm literally going to buff the nails just because you don't want any type of oil residue on the nails at all when you're applying your press-on application. And now you're seeing me pushing the cuticles back. You want to push those cuticles back and you want to get rid of any kind of dead skin just because you want the press-on nail to fit appropriately with your actual real nail. Oh my gosh, those nails look amazing, y'all. Wait till you see them on me. That's the nail glue. Y'all, these nails are so pretty. Oh, definitely click the link in my bio and check out my Amazon storefront so you can go ahead and make the purchase of these nails because, honey, listen, these are pretty. So as you can see, I'm filing the inside of the nail. This is a very important step just because you want it to be kind of rough on the inside. You don't want it to be extremely non-rough, I guess that's the word I'm looking for, because you just, again, it's all about the best application that can last the longest. And then of course you need to file the nail, shape it to your actual real nail. Now, with these particular nails that I did receive from Amazon, they did come with these little sticky pads to help, you with your nail application. However, you do not have to use these little sticky pads that come with the actual nails. But I mean, it's convenient in case you don't want to use the glue. It's just for extra strength. So therefore, it's guaranteed that your nails will last, honey, last. That's what we want. We want a good nail application. So you can see me right now applying the adhesive sticker just to make sure it is on my nail secure, and then I'm going to do this extra step. I'm actually working on the last nail. So now this process I did a little different. I put the glue on my actual real nail, and then I put the glue on the actual press-on nail, which I didn't show that part. So yeah, I'm making sure these nails last. Now, this is an additional step I'm doing, which is applying the glue underneath the press-on nails because I really wanted to make sure that my application stayed, y'all. And I was not trying to have no nails pressing off. And you cannot forget those lovely cuticles. We gotta shine them up. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at my nails. And I did this in under 5 minutes. Definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you get these nails. These are serving, honey.